Let's first check the components. The system basically consists of main controller, amplifier, wireless microphone, tablet monitor, and gooseneck microphone. To mount, first connect the antenna to the microphone and mount it using the rack bolt at the lowest layer. Then mount the amplifier and rack in that order. Next, fasten the main controller using the middle rack hole and pull it up to the bottom of the drawer. And fasten the rack in the same way. Next, connect the main power cable. Pull up the main power cable to the power hole at the top using the hole located at the left-hand side of the table. Make sure that the input and output lines are correctly connected. The input line should be directed outside, while the output line should be fastened to the middle pin. Cut the input line from the multi-tap and connect it to the output line from the switch. Then fasten them using a tie so that they will not be loosened. Cut the elevation adapter and connect it to the line from the electric motor. Be careful of the poles. The red line should be connected to the plus sign, while the black line is connected to the minus sign. Connect the adapter power line and raise the monitor frame using the electric motor switch. Raise the monitor line and 7-inch control line to top using the left hole and then separate the LCD line and monitor line. Next, mount the monitor and fasten it using the screw. Pull down monitor USB using the left hole. Fasten the monitor line using a tie so that it will not touch the keyboard. Next, pull down the gooseneck microphone cable using the left hole and fasten the terminal. Then mount the LCD controller. Next, let's assemble the notebook interface. Connect each line to the notebook interface. Mark the line to separate it from the PC1. Next, push down the line using the right hole and fasten it. Connect the notebook line to the notebook terminal and PC line to the PC terminal of the main controller. Hold the PC lines at the same length and fasten them using a tie so that they will not be loosened. Arrange the cables so that they will not be tangled and fasten them to the left and right bar using the tie. Lastly, connect the power source and signal line of the amplifier and wireless microphone. Once the components are connected, connect the speakers to the amplifier and check the sound. Then mount the PC and check if the system operates properly. Finally, mount the door. The program installation display is automatically shown on the screen when the installation CD inserted in the computer. First, install tablet driver. Before installing it, connect the USB cable from the monitor to the PC. Tablet driver is needed to enable handwriting on the monitor. Install the program by following the messages displayed on the screen. Reboot the computer to complete installation. Next, install the handwriting program. Select EduPen for installation. Enter the CD key after the handwriting program is installed. Run the program and register the CD key in About Program. The CD key is stored in CD. Check Comport and press the Open button. Next, select Projector Model and press the function buttons from On to Mute off in the same order as shown on the screen. LED of the controller will blink each time a button is pressed. Press the Close button after the manual entries are completed and close the window. Next is IR input. Turn on LCD and move to the Visual Control window. Press the Pause button 5 times to turn on the controller's LED. Press the buttons on the 7-inch screen. Next, press the button by pointing the remote controller to the IR reception window of the controller. LED will blink when the inputs are properly received. Press the Pause button 5 times again after all inputs. LED will be turned off. AHA Information and Communication will spearhead the efforts to develop new technologies regarding a multi-pen and hand-touch display, paperless banking and hospital solutions, and ubiquitous interactive display terminals through research and development in the rapidly changing world market. AHA will do its best to improve quality and productivity by actively supplying such technologies to its customers.